So guys, right now one of the biggest discussion happening in the entire crypto industry is about the US Senate Clarity Act. And honestly, this could become a historic turning point for crypto market. For almost 15 years, crypto has grown without a proper regulatory clarity in the US. We now have a global crypto market worth more than 2.7 trillion, Bitcoin trading around the 80K zone, and the billions of the dollar already flow into a spot market ETFs. But despite all this growth, one major problem still exists. Nobody clearly knows which crypto assets fall under the SEC and which one comes under the CFTC. And guys, this confusion creates a massive uncertainty for institutions, because if you are managing billions of the dollar, you can't just deploy capital into assets that may suddenly face lawsuits or regulatory actions in the future. Institutions can handle volatility, they can hedge risk, but they absolutely hate uncertainty. And this is exactly why Clarity Act matters so much right now. The purpose of this bill is to finally define the legal structure of crypto in the US, which digital assets are securities, which are commodities, how crypto companies can legally operate, and honestly, many people still don't realize how bullish this could become long term. Because we already saw what happened after Bitcoin ETF approval. Before ETFs, many major institutions stayed away from crypto completely, but once regulatory approval arrives, giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Franklin Templeton started entering aggressively. And within months, Bitcoin ETF becomes some of the fastest growing ETFs in the financial history. Now imagine similarly Clarity expanding across the border from crypto market that could unlock the massive institutional capital, not just for Bitcoin, but also for tokenized assets, stablecoins, blockchain infrastructure, and on-chain finance. This is why tokenized real-world assets are suddenly become one of the hottest narratives in the 2026. Major firms are already exploring tokenized stocks, tokenized bonds, and block-based settlement systems, because Wall Street is slowly realizing that blockchain is not just speculation anymore. It become a financial infrastructure. And honestly, guys, I think the market cycle itself is evolving now. Previous bull markets were mostly driven by the retail hypes and meme speculation, but this cycle is increasingly being driven by the institutional adoption, regulations, and infrastructure development. Smart money is paying close attention to Bitcoin ETFs, stable coins, tokenizations, and regulatory progress, while most retail traders stay focused only on the short-term price actions. Now, of course, this does not mean the market will only go up from here. We still have inflation concerns, further of uncertainty, geopolitical tension, whale manipulations, and volatility across crypto market. But what about the long term? Regulatory clarity could become one of the strongest bullish catalysts this industry have ever received. Because once institutions fully understand the rule, the scale of capital entering into crypto could become enormous. And honestly, years from now, people may look back at the Clarity Act as one of the biggest moments that helped transfer crypto from a speculative industry into a globally recognized financial system. Thank you. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.